Alright guys, so this is an old braid out. It's about over a week old and it still looks really full, but just to try out a new style, I'm going to start on this. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair. I think this is very important because you don't want to part it while it's curly. I think it will make more frizz, but yeah, and then you're just going to part the front of your hair and leave out a back section so you can start on it so hair won't be in the way. So once you have your back section, you're just going to take a portion of that section and pin the rest up. And what I do is I spray water in it and then leave in. So I apply the leave-in in, and then I'm going to take my Shea Moisture Frizz Control Mousse, and I'm going to apply that generously on that section of hair. So what I started doing after this first test is I started applying it to the ends first to see how much more I would need, because that's what ends up needing the most. So yeah, as you see, I like apply it more to my ends. So you're going to take the end of the roller and wrap the end of your hair on it just a few times, and then you're going to roll it up, and once you get near the root, you're just going to pull that up and secure it like that. So I'm going to just do one more section to show you. This is me spraying water in it, and I'm combing it through, and then I'm going to apply my mousse from the ends up. And then I'm going to take my flexi rod, apply it to the end, and then roll it up and secure it. Alright guys. So what I eventually started doing is applying the leave-in to a big section of hair rather than little pieces, because on one of my back sections I put too much leave-in in. And you'll see at the end it took forever to dry. I hate sitting under the dryer, and the rest of my hair was getting hot and it was getting frustrating. So yeah, I would say apply leave-in to a big section of hair and just run that through, and that will prevent you from putting too much leave-in in a little piece of hair. So this is my last section. Then my sister in the background. So yeah, again, just roll up the ends and roll it up. And I'm so proud of myself for finishing this, because I tried it before and I just did not want to finish. So I sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half. As you know, I hate the heat, so that's why I'm probably looking mad right here. And this is where I found out like some of my hair wasn't all the way dry, which is what you'll see. So what I end up doing, because the top of my hair is getting hot, is I took them all out and got under the dryer for like 15 more minutes. And after that, it was 100% dry. So now this is it dry, and I just took a little bit of coconut oil on my fingertips and started separating the curls. Even though it's in fast forward, I was actually doing this really carefully because I did not want to make a lot of frizz on my first try. So yeah, I just separated it all the way through, and in the midst of me separating it, I would pick it out just to see how much more I should separate it, if that makes sense. Of course, I pin my hair back like I do all the time, and after that I just separate it a little bit more till I get the look I'm looking for. So now I'm about done with my hair, and I hope y'all like this tutorial. For my first try, I think I did pretty well, but now that I know what I should fix, I think it's going to turn out even better. So be on the lookout. Thanks, guys.